The Squirrel Mortgage Brokers website, these are the best rates available to you right now, if you can make them out. So 6-month fixed rate. Look at BNZ, basically clean sweep at the top of the leaderboard, and the Co-op Bank with coming in down the bottom. I can't quite read the bottom, forgive me, but BNZ's 6-month fixed rate at 5.35, 12-month at 4.95, and 18-month fixed at 4.89, which is not bad. So what's going to happen to these numbers after today? Well, let's find out. Joining me now is John Bolton from Squirrel Mortgages. Good morning.
Morning.
Do you think we'll see much change in fixed rates?
No. Sorry to disappoint.
When will that happen? Will that happen? I mean, if we get down to 2.75, as some people are predicting.
Yeah, that will take those shorter term fixed rates lower. So I think what's riding on the OCR today is the forecast, not the rate change itself. Yeah. So everyone's expecting 0.25%. That's kind of in the bag, so to speak. The Reserve Bank's doing a full monetary policy statement, so they're going to reforecast how low they think the OCR is going to go. Now, at the moment, everyone have been sort of talking 3, they're now talking 2.75. We could get a surprise, they could go lower than that. It's that forecast that's going to drive wholesale interest rates down, and then that will drive down those shorter term fixed rates. So depending on that forecast today, that could see, say, the 1-year fixed rate go a bit lower. I'm kind of expecting it will probably settle down around 4.5% a bit later in the year.
That's as low as you think it would go?
I think so.
If we get to 2.5, 2.75. There are other things that influence these rates, right? Like your swap rates. It's not just the OCR.
Yeah. So look, international events sort of impact the longer term of the curve. So your sort of 3, 4, 5-year fixed rates are influenced by what's happening overseas, what's happening in the US. Shorter term fixed rates are largely dictated by what's happening with the OCR. So at the moment, I think the story is very much around the OCR forecast, how low they see that going, and then that's going to drive those shorter term fixed rates. It's not going to happen really fast. So people shouldn't sort of expect in the next week to 2 weeks to see a big movement in that 1-year fixed rate. It might get down as low as sort of 4.85, 4.85.
Well, BNZ's nearly there, right?
Yeah, well, that's it. They've moved in front of the OCR.
So what is it? Did you see these numbers from the RBNZ yesterday on low equity mortgages? There's a growing trend, biggest numbers in I think the last 10, 12, forgive me, years. Are you seeing a bit of that?
Yeah, we are. Look, first home buyer activity has been pretty strong for a good 2 or 3 years now. It's a good market to be in. There's a lot of supply, not a lot of buying activity. So it's a great time to be a first home buyer. You've got lower interest rates. What you're seeing is just more and more first home buyers coming into the market. They obviously have lower deposits.